my name's Hunter. I like to go to South Dakota because I can't drive down to Nebraska. I like getting shelf gloves in South Dakota.
Oh, let's go! And everyone laughed at me for picking Northwest South Dakota.
Hunter freaking
They all
Anderson!
doubted me. They all doubted
I
me.
doubted you! Oh, I freaking doubted you!
Oh my god. Oh no. Yep, alright, we gotta go.
Oh my goodness. Everywhere. Like, oh my god, that's...
Okay, no damage? No, it looks pretty wet though. That's what she said.
Look at that shower, that looks neat.
Awkward thumbs up.
That was a confident thumbs up. I don't know what you're talking about, bucko.
I feel like I gotta apologize to the man. And he's like, they all doubted me.
They all doubted me!